Good morning, students. Students, we have completed a 5 lesson articles in a grammar. Okay, so our next lesson is lesson number 6, describing word. It means adjectives. I have also uploaded this PDF yesterday. So when you watch the video, please keep with your book with you. Okay, so shall we start our lesson? Our lesson number 6 is describing words. Students, we know that adjectives, it means a describing word. We are describing something about a noun or pronoun. They are called the adjectives, right? We have already learned in a second standard and I think KG also. Okay, so here are the definition of the adjectives. A word that tell us something more about a noun or pronoun is called an adjective of a noun or pronoun. It means for someone or something, right? For example, I am using a big board, right? Whiteboard, right? Board is a noun and big is our adjective. Okay, student. Some more example. For example, boy is our noun and tall is our adjective, right? It These all are the adjectives. Here are given one example. Sahiba is a beautiful girl. So girl is a noun and beautiful is a adjectives. Okay, so next there are determiners. Okay, some adjectives like few, many, any, much and some help us determine amounts or quantity. They are called the adjectives of quantity or determiners, right? They are describing the numbers, quantity, right? Or quality. For uncountable nouns, we are using some, much, little. For example, some sugar, little rice, right? And if we count something, for example, pencil, so we can use here a many pencil. So these are called the determiners. One example I have already discussed in the PDF, that a few students scored a full marks. Here are given not a particular number, but there are given a few students, right? So here a few is a determiners. Okay, now next numbers also had to quantifying a noun just like determiners. Both these categories are also called the quantifiers or adjective of quantity, right? For example, adjectives of something describe about the colors or the numbers also. For example, most animals have 4 legs while birds have 2 legs, right? My grandfather has a gray hair, right? There are 7 days in a word. These all are the example of the adjective of quantity. Okay, students, there are one more adjectives given in your book on the page number 28. Words like my, your, its, his and her shows that something belongs to or is owned by someone. It means they have a owner. They are called the possessive adjectives. Students, we know that what is the possessive adjective? His car, my book. These all are the possessive adjective. For example, I am using my book, right? So book is owned by the me. So my book. So book is your noun and my is your adjective. So these are called the possessive adjective. For example, girl skirts wear uniform. Their uniform are smart, right? The dog is chasing its tail. right? Its tail, it means a dog's tail. So its is our possessive adjective. So these are the examples of the adjective. Tomorrow I have uploaded the exercise. Will upload the exercise of the exercise A, B, C and D in the next period. Good day, students.